I'm putting together a little Happy Mail package. This says trick or treat, and when you open up inside there is an arrow chocolate bar. I just actually reused a package that Pen came in that was really quite cute, so that'll go there. These are some cards wrapped up for her to use in her pen pal mail. Inside here I've got a little lip balm. I had to take it out of the package here. So the little Burt's Bees watermelon lip balm, and it's inside of here. Actually, maybe I'll put that across like that. I've got this little mini album that I've showed you before if you watch my channel. It's a fun little mini album that I created with my SCT sampler, and so that's going to go in there. And then here is a fun little library pocket that I created, and it's all attached with this fun little paper clip with a handmade flower, as well as this Don't Give Up on Your Dreams, Keep Sleeping card. That all matches and coordinates nicely. And I'm also going to include this fun little gift inside of this little memory decks pocket. We have all sorts of little embellishments and candies, as well as some little paper treats that I have created for her. So I'm going to put that in there, and then I'm going to just put some of this shred along the bottom with some sprinkles. Let's just there we go. Put that like that. Come in with some little sparkles and sprinkle those in there. And you'll see I've just reused a piece of packaging. There we go. Reused a little packaging that had decorative bows, but now it has this fun little gift inside there. It's a good way to wrap that up. And then I'll go ahead and I will put my other letter and stuff like that in here. And before I do that, I'll come in with some more shred, and that my letter will go on top thereafter. But this is going off to someone who I designed this card for specifically, so that will go on top of there. And yeah, I'll send that off, and it'll be a nice little pen pal happy surprise mail. Maybe I'll even wrap this box up nice. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you again next time.